Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find screenshots and videos on Nintendo Switch 2. Once you take a screenshot with the screenshot button on the left Joy-Con, it's captured, and to find it, go to Album, this blue icon. Now you'll have all your screenshots or videos. To take a video, you'll need to hold the capture button for a moment while in a game, and it'll capture the previous 30 seconds before prior to pressing the button, and it'll save it as a 30-second video. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.